Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram chats organized and easy to find, the new update for Telegram Web on PC makes it simpler than ever to add chats to folders. Whether you want to separate work, family, or hobby groups, this quick guide will walk you through each step. First, open Telegram Web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top side menu where your folders are displayed. Find the folder you want to organize and right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Edit Folder. A new window will pop up, showing all the current settings and chats included in that folder. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Add Chats button. This brings up a list of all your available chats, including groups, channels, and personal conversations. Now simply scroll through the list and check the boxes next to the chats you want to add to your folder. You can select as many as you need, making it easy to group related conversations together, like all your work groups or favorite channels. Once you've made your selections, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the window. Click Save to confirm your choices. Your folder is now updated, and the selected chats will appear inside it for quick access. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Telegram web experience neat and organized. No more scrolling endlessly through a cluttered chat list. Just open your folder and find exactly what you need. Managing chat folders on Telegram Web is a smart way to boost your productivity and stay on top of important conversations. Try it out today and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient messaging space. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.